When you are a beginner and want to perform a cardio or HIIT workout at home, you do not want to perform too many jumping exercises sometimes. So welcome to xHERciser and this is Sargam Gera. And in today's video, we will perform a low impact HIIT workout specially for beginners. We will do every exercise for 30 seconds and take a break of 10 seconds after each exercise. So let's perform this workout together. We are starting with reach and twist. This will ensure that your body is properly warmed up. Start slow and you can gradually increase the speed. Sure, you must be feeling good. Let's do some skaters. Keep moving, go slow because we have a lot to do. Now let's do some of my favorite burpees, but without jumping. Let's see. No jumping, just take step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stand back up. Go down, step back, climbers, but slow. I'm sure your heart rate is quite high by now. Now let's do some standing kicks and crunches. Oh, must be a little tired, but we have to keep moving. Let's get those quads on fire. Almost halfway through the workout. Oh, 50% done. Let's do step and reach now. Let's take a big lunge. Open your arm. Another leg big lunge. Open your arm. We have to keep moving, so don't lose it now and do it with me. Curl your legs, start slow and you can take a little jump to make it even more effective. Let's see what's the next one. You can do it in a high plank position, and if you want to make it a little more difficult, you can be in elbow plank position and keep doing the movement. Time to do some lunges, and don't worry, we're just about to end it. You don't need to be too fast in this one, just focus on your balance, go down, touch the floor. I know you must be feeling it by now, but just keep doing, we just have one more to do. Oh, let's do some lying crunches now. This is your last workout, so give your 200%, and I'm sure you're gonna love it later. And we are done. So this was today's video. I know it did not have too much of jumping, but you felt your heart rate going really high, and that's what we wanted. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do it now for more such health and fitness related videos. Keep watching, keep loving. I'll be back with next video very soon. And as I always say, follow your passion, follow your dreams, and stay fit.